hope you all are enjoying staying at home and keeping safe and healthy. So here we are to bring you a fun-filled, exciting summer camp, but with a little difference. As here, the teachers will come home and share their expertise and various areas with you in the virtual summer camp where you can learn from them through the videos and hand-on activities at your comfort and at your home by teaching interesting things like music, dance, art, public speaking, yoga, aerobics, cooking without fire, Vedic maths, Dastan Goi, storytelling, dramatizing, personality development and much more. What you have to do is join any 3 activities of your choice and keep learning and evolving and come back being more talented and skilled. Dear all, we miss you at school and hope you will soon meet us and make the school lively. And do not forget, we all are waiting to see you blooming and spreading your fragrance, coming back to your own modern school, the home away from home. Thank you.
पंख ही काफी नहीं है आसमानों के लिए, हौसला भी चाहिए ऊंची उड़ानों के लिए। सभा में उपस्थित सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं अनीता सक्सेना मॉडर्न स्कूल वैशाली से, और आप सभी देख रहे हैं आज का रंगारंग कार्यक्रम। अब ये कार्यक्रम समापन की ओर अग्रसर है, तो आइए देखते हैं समर कैंप के दौरान बच्चों के द्वारा की गई गतिविधियों को।
and our summer camp was going on. And today I am going to tell about a magic trick. Thank you. Modern School Vaishali, and today I'm here to give you a heads up on my experience the virtual camp of Modern School. So first of all, there were a lot of options to choose from which I chose Common Skills for Commerce students, in which I learned about group discussions and group debates, speaking skills, communication skills, so much more. And secondly, I chose career skills, in which I learned about so many new career options that I didn't even know existed. And the teacher also kept my viewpoints in mind and interest also. Thirdly, I chose personality development, in which I also learned about so many new communication skills and etiquettes and dressing, so much of stuff that I learned. All the teachers were very nice and friendly and attentive to each and every child. In this summer camp, I learned lots of new stuff, and we did a lot of practical works together, and mostly we had a lot of fun together in this summer camp. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vaishnavi Ranjan and I'm studying in class 7C, and today I'm gonna sing that my music teacher Juhi ma'am has taught me. So let's start with Sar. Tha pa ma ga ma ga re sa. Now let's sing the song. हमको मन की शक्ति देना. हमको मन की शक्ति देना. मन विजय करे है. दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को जय करे. हमको मन की शक्ति देना. Let's sing. तेरी ये जमीन तेरा आसमां. तेरी है जमीन तेरा आसमां. तू बड़ा मेहरबान. तू बख्शीश कर. सभी का है तू. सभी तेरे. खुदा मेरे तू बख्शी.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivangi Chauhan from class 10B Modern School Vaishali. Today I am very glad that I participated in summer camp, which was provided from our school for students to learn new things and new activities. I have participated in 3 activities, which was the first activity, which was name was career counseling. In this topic, I have learned about choosing a career that is suitable for me. I have confused about my career jobs, but after taking this activity, now I am clear which career or job would be better for me. Now, the second activity was the common skills for commerce students. In this activity, I have learned how to import a speech and interact with strange people, which many people hesitate to do. The third activity was the personality development. Oh my god, this is my favorite activity. I have learned a lot of things in this activity. I have learned that how to become an alpha person in life. I have learned that how to represent ourselves among the people and communication skills and more. In last, I would like to thank you my school for providing this summer camp to enhance the learning of students. Thank you.
PD class. First, PD stands for personality development, and there are some importance of PD class. They helps you to develop an impressive personality and makes you stand apart from the rest.
If you are a child or you are a senior people only. Thank you.
Personality in talk, your nature, behavior, manners, and etiquettes. Thank you.
What I have learned to in this class. My self-esteem has increased after taking this personality development class. So this is end of this. So thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice.
All is personality. I love the personality development class very much. Thank you. Have a nice day.
activities that seem to represent choices are often inert predictions of accepted practices. Hello everyone, I hope you're all safe and sound staying home. I'm Juhi Baranwal, TGT English from Modern School. In the pursuit of fulfilling the aims and objectives of the society, Modern School Vaishali was founded in year 2002. Since then, the school has been incorporating tireless efforts to create a culture of excellence among the budding children by not only providing them qualitative education, but also by giving them the opportunities for their overall development. To achieve this, our school represents the online summer camps comprising of numerous fun frolic activities where the teachers help children to inculcate several skills in them through different virtual classes. This year also, the school has organized the online summer camp containing detailed and varied regime of fun-filled learning and activities. Hereby, I congratulate the school on having attained the desired objectives of the summer camp, as the students participated in all the learning activities very enthusiastically, which helped them to enhance their personalities. Hope to see you all very soon. Thank you so much.
जी, तो बच्चों देखा आपने? यस बच्चों, आपने समर कैंप के दौरान सीखने के साथ साथ आनंद का भी अनुभव किया और अब आप बड़ी बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे होंगे आज के खेल का परिणाम जानने के लिए। तो अब आपके इंतजार की घड़ियां समाप्त होती हैं और आज के खेल का रिजल्ट है फर्स्ट पोजीशन डिंपल सक्सेना को मिली है, तो जोरदार तालियां तो बनती है ना बच्चों। और सेकंड पोजीशन मिली है अविका को, यस, उसके लिए भी बहुत जोरदार तालियां तो बनती हैं। और थर्ड पोजीशन मिली है अनिकेत जोशी को, तो जोरदार तालियां तो उसके लिए भी बनती हैं। तो ये तो थे आज के रिजल्ट्स और अब हम इंतजार करते हैं हमारे ये समर कैंप के दौरान स्टार परफॉर्मर कौन है। गैस करिए कौन हो सकता है समर कैंप के दौरान स्टार परफॉर्मर कौन हो सकता है। क्योंकि समर कैंप में सभी ने अपने से बहुत अच्छे से बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया। आपका उत्साह देखते ही बनता था, लेकिन फिर भी ऐसा कौन हो सकता है जिसने हर एक्टिविटी को प्रत्येक दिन बहुत ही अच्छे से बड़े उत्साह के साथ किया हो। हाँ जी, तो देखते हैं आज हमारे ये समर कैंप के स्टार परफॉर्मर कौन है। बच्चों, आपने देखा हमारे समर कैंप के स्टार परफॉर्मर को? यस, डिम्पल सक्सेना। तो उसके लिए जोरदार तालियां तो बनती है बच्चों। यस, हाँ जी। तो इन सब गतिविधियों को, जो सब आपने ये गतिविधियां की हैं, इनको फलीभूत कराने में मैं सबसे पहले विद्यालय के निर्देशक महोदय जी का धन्यवाद करती हूँ, जिनके निर्देशानुसार बच्चों को यह अवसर मिला, उनको बहुत कुछ सीखने का अवसर मिला। विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य जी का धन्यवाद, शिक्षकों का धन्यवाद, जिन्होंने आपको ये सब सिखाया, और बच्चों के अभिभावकों का धन्यवाद, जिन्होंने अपने बच्चों की प्रतिभाओं को उभारने एवं कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में हमारा सहयोग दिया। धन्यवाद।
Thanks to everyone, teachers and students and parents also.